Welcome to Pretty Crafty. Today we're going to be making this cute ladybird rock. You will need a rock, some paint, a toothpick, and a paintbrush. First, make sure your rock is clean and dry. Then paint the entire rock in red paint. Some paints may require more than one coat. Just be patient and let the paint dry fully between coats. Once the red base coat is dry, take some black paint and paint a face for your ladybird. Use the back of your paintbrush to put dots all over your ladybird's body. Put some white dots on the face for the ladybird's eyes. And finish it all off with some black paint on a toothpick for the pupils. And just like that, you're done. Well done on making your own ladybird rock. Have fun making things together with your family and friends. The only limit is your imagination.